The 2018 Chevrolet Express Commercial Cutaway. The Chevrolet Express Commercial Cutaway van. Flexibility and durability are hallmarks of the 4500 chassis, as it was engineered to support the needs of 3 primary applications: school buses, shuttle buses, and ambulances. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, backup camera, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, MP3 player, bucket seats, trip computer, passenger airbag on/off switch, daytime running lights, intermittent wipers, auxiliary audio input, power outlet, rear wheel drive. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.